Hello everyone, today I'm going to make this Flutter age calculator app using Android Studio and ChatGPT source code. Let me just show you a preview of app on Chrome web. You have to select your birth date. So I will select birth year 1977 and then I will select birth month. Suppose it's 8th of December and then click on OK. So your age will appear as 45 years. So you can see app is running smoothly. So let's begin the tutorial. First, I'm going to open ChatGPT and then write Flutter code for age calculator app. So ChatGPT is generating code for Flutter age calculator app and it will provide step-by-step guide how you can make Flutter age calculator app. So code has been generated by ChatGPT. Now let's see the step-by-step guide. First, we have to create a new Flutter project. Let's just create a new Flutter project. Go to File. Go to New and New Flutter project. So right here is Flutter SDK path. You can copy this path by going to your Flutter folder. So right here is the path of your Flutter SDK. Simply copy this path and you have to paste it right here. After pasting it, click on Next and right here write the name of your project. So I will write age calculator and then select Android language as Java and create. As I have already opened a Flutter project, so I will click on new window to open new Flutter project. So it will take some time to show you the Flutter project. After this, again open ChatGPT. So it is saying replace the content of libmain dot with the following code. We have to replace libmain dot code with this code. Simply copy this code, open Android Studio, open libmain dot folder and then enter. So right here is the previous code of main dot file. Control A to select all and then backpress, then Control V to paste the ChatGPT generated code. After pasting this code, you can see Android Studio showing 0 error and 0 problem. Let's see ChatGPT again. So the third step is save the file and then run the app. We have pasted the code. Next, open the Android Studio and then I will run it on virtual device. So it will take some time to show you the preview of age calculator app. And a bar right here will show you that your task is running in the background. So background task running is almost done and Android Studio is showing us the Flutter age calculator preview. Now let's see the working of app. I will click on select birth date. I have selected 2012 as birth year and then I will select month. I will select 1st December as date of birth. And then click on OK. So your age will appear as 10 years. So you can see app is running smoothly. In this way you can develop your own Flutter age calculator app and you can download code from ChatGPT or from our GitHub account. GitHub account link is available in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.